Meditation is a mental exercise that involves focusing the mind to achieve a state of clarity and emotional calmness. It can take many forms, including mindfulness meditation, guided meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation. Each type has its unique approach, but the underlying goal remains the same: to foster a deeper connection with oneself and the present moment. Find a quiet space. Choose a location free from distractions. This could be a quiet room in your home, a peaceful outdoor setting, or any place where you feel comfortable and safe. Set a time limit. For beginners, starting with just 5 to 10 minutes is advisable. As you become more comfortable with the practice, you can gradually increase the duration. Choose a comfortable position. You can sit cross-legged on the floor, on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or even lie down. The key is to keep your back straight to allow for easy breathing. Close your eyes. Gently close your eyes to minimize distractions. This helps to direct your focus inward. Focus on your breath. Begin by taking a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. After a few deep breaths, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Focus your attention on the sensation of your breath entering and leaving your body. Acknowledge your thoughts. As you meditate, thoughts will inevitably arise. Rather than trying to suppress them, acknowledge their presence and gently redirect your focus back to your breath. This practice of returning to your breath helps to strengthen your mindfulness skills. Use a mantra, optional. If you find it helpful, you can silently repeat a word or phrase, mantra, that resonates with you. This can enhance concentration and create a calming effect. Gradually end your session. When your timer goes off, take a moment to notice how you feel. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes.